What's a starting point and roadmap to get started in data science? I have a video for this. I have a video. If you go to my YouTube and you go to Data Science with Dennis, it's one of my very first videos. It's called Data Science Roadmap for Students, or Data Scientist Roadmap for Students, I believe. And it explains how I would be studying data science today. So, obviously that process has changed quite a bit since the last time I had to do it, but a lot of it still applies. So that's where I would point you to. I talk about, helping you think about why you're even considering data science. And then also thinking about the different degrees or the different courses of study, the different things that you could be doing to go into data science, right? Because, maybe data science isn't for you, right? You have to be open to that possibility. I think you have to study your motivations for wanting to go into data science, right? There's some good motivations and there's some that are maybe not so good. So that's something that I like to emphasize in my content. And quite frankly, it's one of the things that really kind of drives me, because I want to promote the vision of data science as being a serious profession, right? It's not something to be taken lightly. So I would point you to that resource. Maybe it gives you some things to think about. Maybe it gives you some things to learn from as far as, your course of study or whatnot. But that's where I would go. Data Science Roadmap for Students 2024, I believe is what it's called.